Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a very easy and very tasty delicious recipe for Malida. So I hope you guys give this one a try this Eid, and make sure let me know down below if you make it and what do you think. So let's jump straight into the recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to put together. We're starting off this recipe with 6 cups of processed paratha, roti or buttershot. Now this was made yesterday and I used it today, so it's not very hot. If you want, you can warm it up in the microwave, but it's not necessary. To this I'm going to add in 50 grams of coconut milk powder. I'm just going to give that a mix. Now usually you would add fresh coconut, grated coconut to this, but I wanted to switch up things and give you a different recipe this year. In goes a 1/4 teaspoon of sawine spice. If you cannot find it or don't have access to it, you can use cinnamon powder and nutmeg along with some other flavorings that you would like. In goes some chopped cherries, and you can add raisins if you wanted to. 1 teaspoon of coconut essence goes in next, so we're really enhancing that coconut flavor. And a 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Don't add too much guys, you can always adjust if you need more. Now I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of chopped pistachios. Use whatever type of peanuts you like, or if you wanted to totally omit it, you can. So we're going to give this a good mix. And once it comes together, I'm going in with my hands. I'm going to start squeezing the mixture together. You really want to use your hands so you can know if it's too dry. So don't add too much milk. You can always add more if it's dry. If it gets too wet, it's going to take very long to set up. So once you can squeeze it and form it into a ball and it holds its shape, that's how you'll know that you have enough condensed milk in there. So now let's form our balls. You're going to pick up your mixture and you're going to squeeze it into a ball. You want to squeeze it really tight so it holds that shape. And you're going to roll it until it's nice and smooth, and then set it aside on a plate. And you're going to continue doing this for all of your mixture until you've made out all of your balls. And that's how easy it is to make Malida. So I hope you guys enjoyed this switch up on this recipe. It's like a fruit and nut version. If you do, comment down below, let me know what you think. If you make it, also let me know what you think. I'd love to hear what you all think about this updated recipe. So thank you guys so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I want to wish the Muslim community a happy Eid this season. I will see you guys in my next video. Do remember to stay safe. Bye everyone.